Kung naghihintay ka ng murang townhouse sa First Park Homes Tanza, eto na po. Bank foreclosed unit at inner lot pa. Good news, no bidding basta walang kasabay kaya first come first serve talaga. As is where is pero 1.5 million lang for a First Park Homes unit, sobrang bihira nito. Located sa First Park Homes Tanza, Cavite. Lot area 44 square meter. Floor area 40 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, perfect para sa small family or starter home. 20% down payment, 300,000. 80% bank home loan, estimated monthly around 11,000 to 13,000 depende sa bank terms. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash or bank home loan. If gusto nyo po ng free house tour assistance or kung gusto nyo makita ang actual location, message nyo lang ako. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!